Hey guys, welcome back to the Outside Vibe. Now today we're going to be exploring Lake Como in northern Italy. It's going to be so much fun. We're in Milan and we stayed here this past night. So let's get to it. Alright guys, here we are at Lake Como. It's so beautiful out right now. The mountains just give you Pacific Northwest vibes. It's just incredible. E-bike and mountain bike rentals. Let's go, except for the e-bike part. This place feels like Leavenworth, Washington, out Pacific Northwest. I mean, the rain, just the moist air, the mountains, the trees, everything just gives me good Pacific Northwest vibes. The churches here are completely different though because they're old, they're like from medieval times, and it's really cool. We have our first cats out today. They're not as sus as Israel's, but still unique to this area of the world to find just cats strayed, wandering around just the cities. It's kind of strange. There it is. Hey, how do you feel about this?
It's pretty amazing. The water's not as cold as I thought it would be, so it's not like, it doesn't feel like ice when you dip your fingers in, which is nice. And the weather is beautiful here. It's not hot and it's not cold. It is sprinkling though, so that's I guess a downer, but it's okay. And we got a beautiful scene. Just finishes it all.
We got some ducks floating in the water here. They must be a little chilly. It's nice out though. The mountains, water, and the old-fashioned cities in Italy are just beautiful. We are here in the awesome smelling leather shop, and it just smells so good. I love that smell of leather. It's starting to rain down hard now, and we gotta find some stuff to keep us from getting too wet. And here we are, the hot chocolate with whipped cream that looks amazing.
It's just literally, I know this is a very bold statement, but it's really good hot chocolate.
Yeah, looks really good.
Very, very good.
We had some amazing hot chocolate that had perfect amount of whipped cream and everything. And now it's time to enjoy the beautiful Lake Como. Now check that out. Those birds. Oh, here they come again. Fighting over the food. There's the ferry boat and across over to the mountains and climbing up the treacherous steps again in Varenna. But do not get lunch in Bellagio, we hear. It's a little bit more expensive, a little bit pricier. So just stick to Varenna. So we're here at Albergo del Sole, and we might get some pizzas, it looks like. They got some pretty good ones on the menu. Can't wait to try them. Hey, what you got over there?
I got a wish sandwich because I'm still wishing I had something to eat.
What you got over there?
This is prosciutto fungi pizza.
Okay. We got some original spaghetti.
Spaghetti pomodoro.
Spaghetti pomodoro.
Are we sure that's how we
what's yours?
Not enough. Tagliatelle alla bolognese.
Okay, we got some lasagna. Oh, she has something finally. And then I've got the not too little. Okay, Just scratch that. I've got some pizza with beef and ham on it and some good cheese. Okay, I finally got the name back, and it's actually the Varenna. So it's probably pronounced differently in Italian, but there's the basic American way of saying this pizza's name. Our lunch was incredible. We had amazing pizza crust, and now it's time to head to Bellagio here very soon once our ferry gets here to head across Lake Como. We have Bellagio is the new name, not Menaggio, or Bellagio.
Where we're gonna get gelato.
Yep, Bellagio. Wow, it's beautiful back here. Here we are, boarding the boat to Bellagio, just across the lake. Bellagio, here we come. And here we are on the boat heading over to Bellagio. We're just starting to move and it's beautiful out. This scenery is just unreal. We're on the other side of the boat right now and the view is just unbelievable. I mean, the mountains are tall, the clouds are misty and covering them, the towns are just laying at the sea and it's crazy. And here we are in Bellagio. We just got off the boat. Now we are just gonna check around town, see some of the sights, then head over to Menaggio later. So you got these pink, teal, and blue watches. Then you got the Maserati watches. Only thing I'm disappointed right now is that we have not seen any Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Maseratis, Alfa Romeos, or Rolexes, basically. Yeah, I don't really care as much about the Rolex part, but the cars, we haven't seen any. So it's a decent amount of climbing to get up here. It gets steep at the end, but not too bad. You can stop at shops along the way, regain your energy. Good news is, guys, we found a gelato place. We're gonna go check it out. It looks like it's got a lot of flavors, so let's try it. Here we go. We got gelato now. And I've got the chocolate, the nocciola, and the stracciatella. It's gonna be a good flavor of like Nutella and some cream chocolate. So, nothing better than just enjoying this church, having some ice cream, and seeing some XX one-axis drivetrains. There's nothing quite like that. It's just beautiful. How was that ice cream?
Oh, it's great.
I know, that's the best. That was the best stuff we've had.
Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, good thing you got hyper smooth on.
I know. You'll never see that trip. You'll never know I tripped until I tell you. Well, I did though. I just did tell you, so the word's out. So we got 4 Ferrari flags, but no Ferrari. What is this? gentlemen, welcome to Menaggio.
Woo! Last stop of the day.
Yep. The main thing we want to do in Menaggio is find some drinks and restaurants. That will be very good because we are thirsty and tired from today. We'll just enjoy the sceneries on the coast of Lake Como. Alright, we're in it to Tato. And we get to sit on the balcony right now, which is really nice. Yeah, just right out here with a nice view.
Okay, we just got a bottle of water out to the table. Chiarella. It's from Lake Como. Look at it there. And it's pretty clear, crisp, refreshing. It's pretty good.
Nice.
Food has come out here, and we got some carbonara. We got linguine.
Linguine persini.
Linguine persini. So we got a good vegan salad. You got calamari down there. De Tato is a very good restaurant taste-wise, but you will have to pay a little bit extra for every person that sits at your table, so you might want to take that into consideration before going. How about right down that stairway? It's nice out though. Nice sunset evening here on Lake Como. Final minutes, 30 minutes left about.
Yeah, hey, check out over there where we just ate at that restaurant.
We just ate on that hilltop over there. Not the very top, but near the shore, next to a cliff edge. And here's the entire view.
And over there is Bellagio, and over there is Varenna. So we're going to be going back to Varenna on the ferry here in a little bit to close out our evening. Cars parked over there, and then we'll be driving to, I don't know right now.
Music time. Rocking the solo, yeah. Yep, sounds good. I think he's got a track playing behind him for the bass part. We got this really cool clock tower up here. It looks pretty nice here on this church. It's a different area really than all the other cities. A little bit more modern, a little bit more about the family side of things, and other ones that have been about shopping and restaurants. Never been a Burberry fan, but this is for my friend. Shout out to you for the Burberry. Off-white there. Yep, that's for you, dude. First person to touch Lake Como.
Yeah, you know, I dove in, went for a swim, got all dried off real quick here.
Yep.
Oh, not really, I just touched my hand into it. Felt pretty nice, actually. It wasn't too cold. It wasn't as cold as I thought it might be.
Yeah.
But it has been hot here.
Yeah, I gotta go touch it myself. Let's go touch Lake Como. Woo. Oh gosh, oh man, that's soaked. Woo. Yeah, it's nice out though. There's some swans out there. It's kind of hard to see, but they're very pretty. Swan Lake, Como Lake. Final moments of Menaggio. It has been so much fun here today, exploring the Great Lake of Como, and we can't wait to come back here next time because this is definitely going to be a top spot on our list right now. It has been the best day so far, definitely. We loved Cinque Terre yesterday, but it's been nice and cool and breezy all day. here we are, back in Varenna.
Beautiful.
Yep, the town is just amazing at night. Well,
we just got a great sunset too.
Yep, just from the boat ride on the lake. It was really nice.
You can even see the sky is bright in the background there. So.
Yeah. Oh, and there it goes. It's going off again to take everybody else back. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos from Europe. We have so many more days left and you're not going to want to miss them. See ya.
Alright, here we are, guys. We're in the Best Western Villa Appiani in, what's near Bergamo, is that right?
Yeah.
We didn't know what it was going to be like, but
It's
turns out
tall ceilings.
pretty good room, pretty tall ceilings, yeah. And then, what favorite part about a European hotel room is the bathroom.
Oh gosh, it's unique.
Yeah.
And that's the room.
Okay, see you guys tomorrow.
See ya.